My name's Liz, and this is my first Influenster video, so bear with me. My hair is a little bit messy. Smells good. Anyway, I decided to have an Influenster account, and because I had heard all these good things about it, and I follow a lot of the free samples and freebie YouTube channels and blogs, and everyone has an Influenster, so I thought might as well try it out. Wasn't really expecting anything. I've only been on there for about 3 weeks, but I just got my first Influenster box, and I'm pretty excited to unbox it, so let's look at it together. So the first thing I got was the Eco Tools Complexion Collection Mattifying Finish Brush. Pretty excited about this one. It's got a cool little design of a beehive and some leaves. So it's pretty. It says, "Look beautiful, live beautifully." That's pretty cool. Let's see. They give you this little card that says everything that you get and how much it's worth. And then they have for Club W, which you can use to buy wine. Their first bottle is free, so you have to buy 3. I looked it up on their website, but instead of paying the $39 it would be for 3 bottles, you're paying $26 because one of the bottles is free when you join with their promo code. Let's see. This is an exclusive invite to earn $25 to eBay, and what you have to do is you write 2 guides that they need written. So I think some of them are how do you get through a certain part of a video game, how do you play the video game, how do you fix such and such a tool. So whatever kind of guides people are looking for that don't already exist, if you make them on eBay, you can get a $25 gift card to eBay. So free money. And then to go with the Eco Tools cosmetic brush is a $1 off coupon that doesn't expire until August, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so on any one of their cosmetic brushes you can get $1 off. And then Kate Moss made her own mascara called Scandalize, so that's in here. That's with Rimmel London. It comes in I Rock Jet Black. That's cute. I Rock. I get it. Haha. It says it's no clumps, and it's this cool shape. It's like a half a heart. So I don't know if you can see that, but it just, yeah. I've already got quite a bit of mascara, and I don't use it that often, so I'm actually giving this away to a friend who will let me know what it's like. So look forward to that in the review video. I will be doing a review of all the products later. I'm looking forward to trying this one. So Dove has this new thing that they're doing with fruits. This one's with blueberries, and it's whole fruits covered in dark chocolate. It comes in cherry, cranberry, and blueberry, but this one's the blueberry. So we'll see. That's pretty cool. Blueberry and dark chocolate both have antioxidants, so it's a healthy snack. And then we've got Not Your Mother's Deja Voodoo Style Extender, infused with red apples and berries. Lock in style until your next shampoo. That's pretty cool. It says, "Do you believe in magic? Well, even if you don't, you'll believe in deja voodoo." That's cute. I like that. Bear with me, there's 2 more items. It's like Christmas. Airbrush Legs. It's water resistance from Sally Hansen. This is the medium shade. So I'm going to go from really, really pale to pretty tan. And it's for your legs, and you just put it on your legs, and it's supposed to make it look like you tanned them. So we'll see how that goes. I'll show you that in my next video. And last item, Kate Moss also has a lipstick. And it's with Rimmel London. And let's see, what color is this? Lasting Finish. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see that. That's really pretty. I like that. So I just put on the Kate Moss lipstick, and as you can tell, it's a really light pink color, and it actually doesn't even feel like I'm wearing it, which is weird. But I didn't even have to apply pressure to put it on, which is not something that I'm used to. So it's a pretty cool product. It has a scent to it. I'm not sure if it's supposed to. I don't really know. It's not like a bad scent. I can't really place it. Like, kind of like spices almost, if that makes sense. And then I took out the brush. I'm currently moving out of my dorm back home, and so all of my blush is at home, but I thought I'd at least feel what the brush feels like. And it's got these little waves in it. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. But it's kind of wavy almost, which I thought was cool. And it's really, really soft. It's like if you took a small kitten and you just rubbed your face against their fur, you know, like that. Like just like, hello kitten. That's what it feels like. It's really nice. We'll see how it disperses makeup later. I'm not really sure yet. We'll find out. So I can't really comment on that, but it feels really, really soft. And I like it. I like that it's soft. I'm just going to pat myself with it. Yeah. So I was going to make this video for a different day, but I just really wanted to try everything. Especially these chocolate-covered blueberries. So they're chewy, which isn't really what I was expecting. It's like the chocolate is also chewy. But it's not as sticky. Because I won't name names, but there are other companies that do the chocolate-covered fruit, and it kind of just sticks to the inside of your teeth, which is why I don't buy them that often. But this doesn't stick as much. There's a little bit of sticking, but not to the extreme that the other companies do. And it's not overpowering. You can taste the fruit, but it's not like really tangy, like you're not just like... And then the chocolate isn't overwhelming. So it's not bad. It's actually pretty good. I'm probably going to finish all of these. But I don't think you want to watch me eat a whole bag of chocolate-covered blueberries. So I'm going to go, and I'm going to finish eating these because they're really good. I'll see you guys next time.